Hello, good evening, everyone. This is my discussion number 4. My first aha moment came with the learning maps. It had to deal with stage 2, the instructional approach of teaching. Before, I did not know we need to have a prior academic knowledge related to specific content you plan to teach, the English language proficiency levels, cultural linguistics, prior experiences and interests related to the content, lesson management structure. So all these subsections in a lesson plan were all new to me, and I didn't know that the lesson plan had to be that detailed. I thought it was maybe bullet points, make uh, your standards well known, and that was it. But after taking this class and doing this signature assignment, I've learned that there is a lot more to lesson plan making, and the details need to be specific and thorough. You need to address your IEP students, your 504 plan students, your EL students. So there's a lot of detail that needs to be put in a lesson plan. My second aha moment came with the DOK level of words, the depth of knowledge. I didn't really know anything about this whole graphic organizer of words. This class, I really looked at that graphic organizer and started picking out words to use in my discussion boards when I'm responding. Then I use the words in my lesson plans, and I just enjoy it because now I could see how I could improve my writing by using these words, and how more academically uh, my piece of work sounds, more academic language and so forth. Sorry about that. Thirdly, the other thing that I took away from this class was using the jigsaw strategy in my lesson plan. So when I chose to do my lesson, I chose to do it in a science setting for middle school students, and that was to do Newton's third law. When a force has an action, there must be a reaction. So I was thinking, what educational strategy and instructional strategy should I use in the lesson? And I couldn't really think of one that stood out to me, like, oh, this sounds really good. This would impress professor. But after a while, I was like, the jigsaw method would be great as a whole in the class. So when you are grouping the students, you can already group them in their tables, or if they're in desk rows, you maybe the first 2 rows and then section them off by fours. After doing that, in the jigsaw method, you are breaking up the workload. So in the research part, it could be one student researching one page of reading, the other student researching the second page of reading, and maybe the other two are doing online research. And that's just to get their base knowledge of Newton's third law. And that also relates to Kepler's third law. After that, how we could take this jigsaw method a step further is when we are doing the actual balloon rocket experiment. We break up the students into organizing the experiment, the string attachment. How long is the string, and is it going to be strong enough to hold our straw, our balloon, and let it go from point A to B? One student could be connecting the straws and tape to the balloons. Another student could be doing the writing as far as the trial and error. Did it successfully make it from point A to B? Was there enough air in the balloon to just move? So these are all things that I took away from this class, and it just helped me become a better teacher academically, using new academic knowledge, new verbiage. So thank you. That is it. I hope you guys have a great rest of the day and have a great vacation.